In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to smooth your brush strokes when using the brush tool. So we've got the brush tool. The shortcut key for that is B. And we could draw something out here like this. And it takes the exact shakiness of the line that I just drew with my mouse. In fact, the fidelity of it is what we're looking at. And it follows exactly what I just created. And you can see all the points that it creates here with the direct selection tool. But what if I wanted to smooth this out? What if I didn't want it to keep all the shakiness of my lines? If I just wanted to draw a straight line, how can I do that? There's actually some smoothing options. Double click the paintbrush tool. You have fidelity right here. Right now it's set to the most accurate. I can actually set it to the most smooth. Hit OK. And now when I draw my little shapes and stuff, even if I have a little shakiness, it smooths that out. Look at how that was compared to what I drew before. Anything that you draw, it'll make sure to smooth out all those lines. And it creates them with a few less anchor points. You can see there's way less anchor points than these guys up here because it smooths them out after you draw. So if I wanted to create, and I showed you this in my arrow tutorial, if I wanted to create a really quick arrow, I could do that just like this with two little quick brush strokes. I've got a nice smooth arrow. If that fidelity was all the way back here and I tried to do the same thing, it might just not look as good. Not too far off, but not as good. Look at the shakiness in the arrow lines there, whereas it straightened them here. And even, I did a pretty decent job over here, but this is perfectly smooth. The other thing too, if we select everything, look at all those anchor points. There's just a couple in this one up here. There's so many down here, which makes it much, much harder and more difficult to work with. That's how to draw smoother strokes in Illustrator with the paintbrush tool.